All right, so that was a small walnut cutting board that was given as a Christmas gift. The client wanted to add some personalization to it, add some, the initials and a little heart around it. And I hope it was evident in the video how tiny that the letters were and how kind of how thin and wispy the font was. There is not a lot of a negative space there, not a lot of room for any kind of product to settle in there. So in this case, the CA glue is the perfect fit. I've tried some small things like that before, and epoxy will just lift right back out of the pocket. It just doesn't, there's not enough space to grab something that small, if that makes sense, where it's just too thick of a product. It just will not fall down into that cavity. So CA glue is the perfect use for that. You can get different colors. If you were doing, the walnut, it had a good contrast to it. If you were doing a lighter wood with the dark, the black, it would look really good too. So something to consider going forward. Using the CNC technology, kind of expand your options a little bit. So I'm going to be doing some more videos featuring Starbond products. I'm an affiliate with them, so if you need anything from Starbond, use code SLABGUY to save 10%. I'll include a link down below. If you're not on the CA glue train yet, if you haven't bought into it or you think it's just not for you, something you wouldn't utilize, give it a shot. You will not be disappointed. It is a time-saving product. That is, I work a day job. I come home, I have a few hours to work on things, and I was tired of waiting on epoxy to dry as my only option for repairing voids and cracks. CA glue has completely changed that. So get on the CA glue train. You will not be disappointed. Go to starbond.com, use code SLABGUY, you can save 10%. I'll include a link down below to that. If you have any other questions about it or any other uses or suggestions, you can drop me a comment here or hit me up on Instagram at Secondlifedesign. Anything else? Let me know, guys. Thanks.